In this video, I'm going to show you how to add instruments in Cakewalk Sonar. Now to do this, you want to open up Cakewalk Sonar and then you want to go and add a new track. So I'm going to right click and then click on Insert Instrument over here. And as you can see, it's going to ask you what type of instrument you want to add. So you want to switch the instrument over here and then you want to select it. So for me over here, as you can see, I have a bunch of different ones. I'm just going to go for the band lab over here and I'm going to pick a random one. For example, I'm going to do this one over here. Then you can also go and select your input. I'm going to go, of course, with virtual controller. You could go with none, or of course, if you have your own controller, you can select it over here. So I'm going to select MIDI Omni over here. And there we go. I'm going to click on the create button and it's going to create my track just like this. And what's cool about this, it's going to automatically open up your kind of flare over here, which in my case, of course, is the instrument I selected. And as you can see, I'll be able to now play it just like this. You can hear in the back I'm actually playing it, and of course if I were to start recording, I can just click on this record button and then start recording and playing. And now I can just go ahead and start playing. There we go. As you can see, it's actually working. Okay, now you heard my voice in the back because I had some recording from previous as well. But yeah, that's essentially how to add instruments in Cakewalk Sonar. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.